Dear students, now we are back to geography. Now we are going studying lesson number 2, population. Population subheading impact of overpopulation. Let us go to the chapter. To live a reasonably comfortable life, we need various resources. Okay, to live a comfortable life, we need some resources like food, clean water, then house, job, amenities such as electricity, health care, education, etc., etc., etc. But in overpopulated country, what will happen? All the people do not have the enough of these resources. That is the main reason. Okay, we have some necessary things like water, home, job, electricity, health care. These kinds of things are not available in not enough available in overpopulated countries. Then second problem is coming there. There is a jobless or unemployment, and even many of the working people earn very little. Of course, there is a less job, unemployment problem. But those who have work, what about them? They are getting less salary, less income. That is not enough for their daily life. Some people are homeless. Even some people, they don't have home because they don't have money. In the worst cases, there may be a famine. What is the most worst curse? That cases famine, a severe food shortage. That is what the main thing. They don't have enough food for their own people. They are not producing that much food because their population is more. When there is not enough food for everyone and there are people dying of hunger, if there is no food, not enough food, then nutrition problem will come, and the small kids will die without nutrition, and people will die without food. Due to the lack of good health care and education, people suffer from ill health and cannot develop skills to use their resources efficiently. Since we know, since lack of food, lack of what resources, lack of health care, and lack of education, people suffer from ill health, and they can't develop their skills properly to use their resources efficiently. And so that what will happen, people are not like to live such kinds of countries. They want to go outside some other countries and want to live there and earn more. And in an overpopulated country, resources are consumed faster than they can be produced or replenished. That is, since population is more, what is the effect? Whatever they produce, that will get over fast, and they don't have enough resource, and they can be produced or replenished. Hence, there is a replenishment of resources such as fresh water, forest, and minerals. There is also pollution of the air, water, and soil due to unscientific human activity. And another big problem we can find such kinds of countries is pollution. And why these pollutions are taking place in there? Because they don't have enough and more education, and they don't have a scientific um, skill or to protect from pollution. And humans as well, and many species become extinct because of this pollution. Some of the animals may get extinct, some of the people will die, and some of the birds may disappear from the earth. and because of this such kinds of pollution. Large scale deforestation and species extinction harm the whole world. And there another problem, that is the problem deforestation, because when number increases of humans, then what they do, they need a space, they need a space to live, so they um, cut the trees and clear the land and try to cultivate or try to make a home there. So this will cause deforestation, and this deforestation will make pollution more, or global warming, or ozone depletion. Now comes to another thing, impact of underpopulation. Impact of underpopulation. In an underpopulated country, there are more than enough resources for all the people to have a good quality of life. A entirely opposite condition we can find in populated countries. We have come to know overpopulated countries, they don't have enough resources or money to live a good quality of life. But here they have enough and more resources, so that they can have a good quality of life. There is no unemployment, but what about there? They have unemployment, but here no unemployment. In fact, there is a shortage of labor. There they don't have labor, isn't it? They don't have enough and more chance to do labor. But here shortage of labor, meaning there are not enough people to do all the jobs that can be provided. That is what the meaning. There they don't have job, but here they have more enough and more job, but people are not there to do the such kinds of work. Then generally food, shelter, healthcare and education are available to everyone. In short, we can say here to all they have food, shelter, healthcare and education are available there. However, goods and services may expensive as production is low and the cost of hiring workers is high. Since there is no labors, then labor's wages or their cost is more, so they can earn more money here. In the shortage of labor creates what? The difficulties of industries that need a lot of workers, like mining and construction. Since there is no labor, the company, industries and mining or field farmers, they are facing what? The problem of lack of people to do work. So what they are doing? Many people who leave their own country settle in an unpopulated country. So they are welcoming the other countries people to do their work here, and many of the people who leave their own country and settle in an underpopulated countries can easily take in more people and support them without lowering the general quality of take. Such kinds of countries, they can easily afford more people, and they can provide good quality of life to these people. Many underpopulated countries encourage people from outside to come and settle, so that the shortage of labor is reduced and unutilized resources can be put to use, and they are welcoming the people from outside so that they can utilize what? Their resources. So have a nice day. Thank you.